how to do how to import a how to change a video into a, sample, yeah, in FL Studio. So I'm using FL Studio 25. So go to the channel rec. This is a new project, but let me open a new one in case you don't trust me. Yeah, new project. So go to the channel rec, 40 video player. Yeah, look for the video in my PC. So this one, you can see it's very good. So as you can see, it's play, and just put this here. I know the sample will be finished by the time it comes here. Okay, I was wrong. Let me put it here just to be safe. Then I go to an empty channel. Remove this. Go to this empty channel and add Edison. Mistake. So that one, I forgot to write this one to this. Let me take it to one. Let's see. Why do we do this again? Hey, how do we do this again? Why do we do this again? Yeah, I don't know this thing. Let me just load up another one. For the sake of the stress, don't stress yourself. So let's play it. Yeah, stop recording. So you can see it was from TikTok. I'll remove those things there. So I'm dropping it here as an audio clip. You know. So if you want to export it to somewhere somehow, maybe I don't know. So you can select it and hit this button, export what. So it will come up as MP3. Let me just put it here and name it like sample thing. I'm not good at naming stuff. So yeah, it's a wave. So I'm gonna do, yeah, just like it is. Let's see how the sample sounds like. Okay, so here I know what's happening here. I have to delete this one, this Edison here. So if I delete this Edison here, it will not play that audio 2 times, but I don't care. I just want this part here. So yeah, that's how I do it.